Hello friends, today I'm going to try my hand at gardening. Never grown anything before. My wife tells me I'm crazy. We're going to see if I can make some vegetables. Let's get started. Now in this flower bed, we are going to be planting super snappy peas. It says to put 2 inches apart in double rows. Yeah, I don't know. Super snappy peas. I don't even know how many seeds are in here, or how you're supposed to open this thing. Alright, I'm going to get some scissors. So I've made some rows, set out my seeds, and I'm going to put the seeds in each row. Who knew gardening was so exciting, right? Now that we've got our seeds laid all in our rows, time to cover them up. Now for a little bit of water. That's our peas. Let's move on to the carrots and the peppers. Now with the carrots and the peppers, there's sweet peppers, California Wonder, and then carrot ultimate hybrid. We don't have near as many seeds as we did with the peas. So I'm going to do one big row right down the center, carrots on this end, peppers on that end. One line right down the middle. Cover those bad boys up. That's my peppers. And we'll have carrots on this end. Same thing, cover them up. Add water and wait for it to grow. That wraps it up. Be sure and check back later in the year. We'll see how my gardening actually works out. Could be good, could be bad. Won't know until later. But the flower beds that I planted in are roughly 2 feet apart, 8 feet long, and I believe they're around 10 inches deep. Thanks for watching. See you next time.